friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, check out my playlist. It's truly a mixed bag of all kinds of home decor, gifts, recipes, all kinds of fun stuff to watch. I don't normally film back to back like this and upload within a day or two, but we're down to 12 days till Christmas and we're kind of in crunch time. And I don't know if you're like me, but I've still got a few odds and ends that I need to get to help fill my stockings and finish up so that I can enjoy the holidays. But I want to bring you at least a dozen little stocking stuffer gift ideas, things that we have been enjoying for the last 6 months or even longer, just to give you some gift ideas, stocking ideas, if you are just stumped at what to get. You know, people in different regions of the country may not have seen these things or heard of them, and give you some ideas, and hopefully you can find it in your area. No particular order, some are big, some are small. Just about everything is less than $20. It's truly a mixed bag. So the first thing starting out, it was something I picked up at Dollar Tree several months ago that I absolutely loved, and it is called the Rose Oil Lip Balm. I saved the package from several months ago, and you may have seen other people haul it. It is a lipstick that's actually just white. And then the temperature of your body changes it to the color that it's supposed to be for you. That kind of lipstick has been around for years, but it truly feels like chapstick on your lips. This is a great little product for $1.25 if you're trying to find a little stocking stuffer for a girl. So good idea. The next one is my favorite makeup brush that I bought earlier this year that I have absolutely loved, and it's called a kabuki brush. It helps put on my foundation makeup, especially when you get older. Your pores get bigger, and I don't know, my liquid makeup has just not been going on as smooth, and I highly recommend this kabuki brush. And it's for really anybody, but I have had better success the last year with just a smoother finish. Anywhere that sells makeup brushes, you might can find this big fat fluffy kabuki brush. Now if you're not a cook or in the kitchen much, you may not be aware of the different seasonings and spices that people love, and if you're a foodie, you already know about these, but let me just show you some of our favorite seasonings if you've got a man to buy for or a woman that loves to cook. The first one is Dano's. He really built his business up from TikTok and COVID, and wonderful seasonings. We've bought several. His seasonings are non-salt and just super popular. You can get them at Walmart. As somebody that loves to cook would love to get a little collection of Dano's if they've never tried it. Another seasoning that we have turned to this year that we have loved is called Kinder's. You may have heard of it. We recently bought the toasted onion. This is a huge thing of like onion soup mix, and I sprinkle it on a lot of stuff. This one's wood-fired garlic. And then here's a little one I got at Walmart that's buttery burger blend, and that is delicious on burgers. These are like less than $5 at Walmart, but somebody, like I said, loves to cook, would love to get a collection of spices. Now, if you're like me, I have people in my family that have blood pressure issues. If you know it's somebody like that, get them a collection of some like Miss Dash. Miss Dash comes in a dozen different flavors, and get them a whole little bag or basket full of no salt seasoning. Now my son, I put one in his stocking because I know he has to watch his salt. That's a great stocking stuffer for somebody who has blood pressure issues. The next up is something that I bought at my grocery store. I can't remember the name of it. I think it's a OXO brand. Or Good Cooks, one of the two. There's a lot of controversy over the aerosol cooking spray, causing cancer and whatnot. Well, this is where I could refill it with just my good quality olive oil, and then you actually pump it, you prime it, and you spray it. This has worked so good. I've got one I bought off Amazon that's not near as good. It works great, and I know that I'm spraying my pan with good quality olive oil. So this is a really good stocking stuffer for somebody that cooks or is a foodie. If you know somebody that is diabetic, they have come out with dozens of zero sugar products. I know maybe not all diabetics can tolerate the zero stuff, but at least it shows that you have been very thoughtful in your gift picking. And hot chocolate, cake mix, those are things that a lot of diabetics diabetics, you know, feel so deprived on, they would come closer to eating this than they would a regular piece of cake. So that's something to consider, giving them a collection of some sugar-free candies or cookies and things like that that they might can enjoy otherwise. There's another little stocking stuffer gift idea for somebody who loves to entertain. If I got this, I would love it. It is a collection of dips and soup mixes. You know, this was one my daughter gave me. It's some kind of Mardi Gras dip. This is a cheeseburger dip mix, and this is a queso grande soup mix. You can buy these things at craft fairs, at little peddler malls. You can find these in different shopping places. You know, it could be a stocking stuffer or a great gift idea for somebody you know would enjoy something like this. Now, this is one gift for my brother. He is in his 60s, has everything he possibly could need, and I ended up buying him a fishing magazine subscription. So if you know it's somebody that loves to tinker in their shop, like a handyman, somebody who is always on a diet like me, light and tasty, if they're a foodie, the Food Network magazine, that's a great gift for less than $20. Go buy one and then put a note in there and say, this is your first issue and I have bought you a subscription. That's what I did with his Fisherman magazine. Now this is a great gift for anybody. The velvet hangers. These have been around for several years. The best price I have found has been Costco. You get like 50 for less than $10. They sell these at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all those kind of places. But if you've ever switched over to the velvet hangers, you won't go back to the plastic ones. These are wonderful for anybody, especially women trying to keep your V-neck type shirts on the hanger. This is a great gift for any age. I got these last year for Christmas. They were exercise cards, body weight and dumbbell. They were upper and lower body, and I just picked out like 10 exercises I wanted to do, and then it's just a great little gift if you know it's somebody that's on a weight loss journey or something like that. It gives you great little exercise images and instructions. Instead of adding weights to the gift, you could buy just these resistant bands, a whole lot lighter. And I tell you where they got a lot of this stuff at, and that's Five Below. Is all kinds of exercise stuff, super reasonable price. Now this is something that I think I got from my mother-in-law for Mother's Day or something this past year, but I absolutely love this, and I'd seen them but I just didn't know what they were. These are Swedish dishcloths. If a sponge and a dishcloth had a baby, it would be this. Most of them come in a package of like 10. This one may have come from Costco. I've seen them there. I've seen them at all the home places. They're just pliable. They do swell up a little bit. It's almost like a cloth sponge. It is wonderful for somebody that has everything. So I encourage you to look around your stores. Walmart, lots of places have them. Swedish dishcloths is a neat little gift, and they're about $10 or $15 for a box like this. Now this is a cute game for a teenager, somebody that, you know, you just don't know what to buy. Our brand is called IQ Puzzler Pro. I'm going to show you what it looks like. There's dozens of games like this, and they go by different names, and it's a brain teaser game. You take all these little balls out, and the object is to get them all back in the little case. I will put some different names of what this is called on the screen, but ours is called IQ Puzzler. But like I said, it's small like this for travel or just to keep on the bed table. A really cool game for a teenager if you've got somebody like that to buy for. All right, this was something that, well, I got my husband for something, I don't remember what, but this is a rechargeable water flosser. You fill it with water, and then, you know, you literally just rinse your gums and things out. On Amazon, less than $20, and this is a great gift for somebody that you just don't know what to get. Here's another thing that's really popular the last few years is flavored water, coffee creamers, things like that. These little sugar-free syrups, and then you have to get the pumps that go with them. They sell these syrups everywhere if you hadn't seen them, sugar-free or regular, and you can get someone several like coffee flavors, you know, French vanilla, hazelnut, pecan, whatever, and then get them the pumps to go by their coffee pot. And this would be a great gift for less than $20. $20 to get someone a few of these sugar-free syrups or regular syrups. I shared this last year on my Father's Day gift because it's such a neat little idea for somebody who has everything. And because so many people wear glasses, this is an eyeglass holder. You can set it on your end table, on your bedside, and it looks like this, has a little notch there, and it just holds your glasses. This is a masculine themed one. They have them, you know, all different animals. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them at Walmart Optical. They're about $10, but what a cute idea for anybody that wears glasses. This is a cute idea for a teenager or even adult. Get them like a bag of kernels or a box of microwave popcorn, and then a bunch of different add-ins like sprinkles and cheese, you know, all kinds of popcorn seasonings. That's a cute idea for any age group. This is something I bought my grandson off of Amazon. This is one of those like felt learning books. It really helps develop their motor skills. They range in price from $10 to $20. This one has buckles, a snap, how to tie your shoe. He's a little too young for that, but a little Velcro star, clover, a zipper. Just really helps his little fingers exercise. He just turned 2, and he has loved for me to put him in my lap and us play with this little felt book. And that's one thing I bought him for Christmas, was even a bigger one that had pages, a lot more elaborate one that has takeoff pieces where he puts it back on. I encourage you to check out the little felt preschool books on Amazon. This is a great little gift for a little one. And I did a video on this a couple years ago with my granddaughter. She and I did one of these little hand casting kits. I told her that I wanted to hold it for her and save it for her till she got a little bit older. She's 11, and I just wanted to save it for her. My husband found this at Walmart. It's around $20. He said, I thought maybe, you know, you and I could do it. So my husband and I are going to do this hand cast, and it's plaster hand making kit. So check your Walmart, see if they have it. They definitely have them on Amazon, but the one I got came with a little wood stand. They are white when you uncast them. I did paint mine with some pewter spray paint. I will put that video down below if you want to see how those hand casting kits work. I hope that I gave you some ideas for little ones all the way up to grown adults. You can finish out your shopping and you can enjoy time with your family. Thanks so much. I'll be back in a few days to share with you a candy recipe. Bye-bye.